Yeah, excuse me. We having two problems. Two problems we're gonna have right now. Alright, two problems we're gonna have right now, right? One, the pool is closed, right? And two, you cannot be having sexual stuff happening right here in the pool area.
Okay. So
Alright, because I saw her giving you fellatio right here, and that's not appropriate right here.
okay, we're gonna leave right now. I do apologize for that.
Alright. So I need to escort you out.
All right, not a problem. Go ahead, take your stuff on right now. Can you turn the flashlight off for just a second? Let me put your stuff on.
Go ahead.
Oh, you see us close out? Not a problem. Okay. Get your stuff on for you. Not a problem.
Y'all residents here?
Yes.
What is your unit number? Alright. What building? Alright. Just to let you know, next time that that happens, you could be a year revoked from here, right? So you will be not allowed to come in here for a whole year.
Okay.
And that happens again, alright?
Yes, sir. You got it.
Yeah, because I know you're having fun in here, whatever, is nobody, but...
And we've lived here for 3 years, we've never.
Okay, so, you know, and we're here because the thing is that we came here because the cameras was looking at you doing what you was doing.
Okay.
Okay.
So the leasing office right now, they see everything.
All right, we do apologize. I mean, to embarrass you, sweetheart. We can sorry, guys. Let's go. All right, let's go.